Don't miss the stunning renovation of this Grovile 2-bedroom 2-bath lakefront condo. Incredible kitchen with decorator gray cabinets, quartz counters, more storage than you can imagine with pullouts, pantry, stack smart washer and dryer. New luxury vinyl plank floors, 5.5-inch tall baseboards, new lighting and ceiling fans, updated outlets and switches. Lovely primary bedroom has upgraded ensuite bath and walk-in closet. Sunroom overlooks serene lake and fountain. Active 55+ community offers 2 pools and clubhouses, tennis, nature trail, exercise facility, kayak racks and launch, guarded entrance. It's all here to enjoy at an excellent price. Make this one yours.